Om Amriteshwari Namaha. My name is Meenamba, and my seva here at Amritapuri Ashram is in the Amrita Upcycle Workshop. Amrita Upcycle is a department of the ashram which started up 13 years ago with Amma's blessing in order to address the problem of plastic waste. We all know that plastic waste is contaminating the soil, air, and waterways across the globe, causing untold suffering for wildlife and immense environmental challenges. At Amrita Upcycle, we protect Mother Nature from plastic waste by transforming it into beautiful, useful, long-lasting, and meaningful items. Through this process, the waste plastic is not only recycled, but its value goes up, which is why it is called upcycling. Using simple tools and equipment like scissors, crochet hooks, needle and thread, an inexpensive iron, and a basic sewing machine, we upcycle discarded plastic bags, plastic packages, Tetra Pak boxes, and more. Our products include purses, water bottle holders, zip pouches, tote bags, and these little angels. You may wonder, does making one tiny angel really make a difference in the problem of plastic pollution? I used to wonder the same thing after I started weaving a handful of discarded plastic bags into the first upcycled product that I ever made, a small green, yellow, red, and white mat. When Amma saw the first upcycled products, however, Amma said, "You may think it is only a small gesture, but through this, the hearts of individuals blossom, others will be inspired, and it can lead to significant changes in society." Amma's words really motivated me to keep going with this project. Through upcycling, plastic waste changes from being use and throw into being use and use again. And we see that plastic waste is a valuable resource. Then, when other people see our upcycled items or receive them as a gift, this concept spreads. Therefore, even one small upcycled angel is a powerful catalyst for positive change.
Upcycle this. From jeans to yoga mat bag. A DIY upcycling project brought to you by GreenFriends, Amrita Virtual Academy, the Ecology Center, Amritapuri. Amma says, "There are no mistakes in God's creation. Every creature and every object that has been created by God is so utterly special." 3,781 litres of water is used to make one pair of jeans. A positive response. You can lengthen the lifespan of usability for your jeans through upcycling. Upcycling. The process of transforming waste materials into new products perceived to be of greater quality through artistic or environmental value. Try it out. Here's one idea. Want to go from this to this? In Amritapuri, people donate a lot of Western-style pants to Ram's Bazaar, a place that gives second-hand goods a new life. Yet due to the hot and humid climate, people often do not need them. The team at the Ecology Center came up with the idea to upcycle used jeans into yoga mat bags. All proceeds go to the humanitarian initiatives of embracing the world. The bags are a hit. People from all over the world arrive asking about them. Would you like to try sewing a yoga mat bag and contribute to caring for Mother Nature? It's a simple project that's fun and creative too. Download the pattern. Simply scan the QR code and follow the link. Want to learn more about this project? Read Rajeswari's blog post, Genes and the Future of Our World. To read the blog post, scan the QR code and follow the link. Are you interested in more projects like this? Email us at info@amritavirtualacademy.com.